Yo, cuz, put down my...
I love...
Yo, cuz, put down my mic, lets you know how to use it. This is old school, not preschool, so don't Dr. Seuss it.
I love chicken stars. Wait, no, I hate chicken stars! I hate them! 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 I hate them!
Life is a wonder. You'll never know.
I love chicken stars.
Mommy, stop!